So you bought some new rotors, you said?
Mm-hmm.
And there was a film or something on them?
Oh, I don't know.
Did you?
I never did find out.
Oh, okay. Just something to keep them from rusting while they're in the warehouses and stuff?
I guess I'm going to put brake cleaner on them and clean them off and put them on there. Nobody seems to make a big fuss about them being turned before you put them on.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Nobody seems to mention it anywhere, so.
Yeah, I think that might be something passé.
Yeah. Probably pretty good at getting the machine to the right surface.
Front wheels chocked. And this is a 2005 Ford Crown Vic that we've done some work on in the past. So what made you want to change the rotors? You have a shutter?
There's a pulsation.
Okay.
Brakes when you go to stop. And I'll show you something else. I think it's caused one of the tires to go bad.
Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. One of these days when I get the garage door fixed, we're going to get one of those speed jacks, you know that?
Oh, yeah.
Those Harbor Freight, that's a Harbor Freight breaker bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that 3/8 one that broke on me, and about 6 months later, and I took it back, and they just told me to go to the shelf and get another one. So lifetime warranty on those.
Cheap enough.
Yeah.
I guess. I don't know exactly how much they cost next to Sears, but.
So this started its life as a cop car for school district. Had front and rear disc brakes. Do you know if all the Ford Crown Vics in 2005 had rear disc brakes also?
I don't know. I don't know if it was just a police
Cop,
thing.
police special. That's real nice though to have front and back discs.
Right there and right there, you get a nice deep groove.
Right.
Sort of there is pretty good. That one's practically
smooth as all get out right there.
Except when you turn around to here,
nice thick.
you get a deep groove again.
Yeah.
And then here it almost looks like it's a little bit low.
Yeah, but that wouldn't hurt nothing.
Screw in it. Not helping.
They screwed the retread on.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that rotor over there, you think caused that flat spot? Huh?
Yeah, it's hard to tell. I don't know if the tire was like this or what, but I checked the rotor a couple of weeks ago and it's wobbling, so I'm going to just go ahead and replace them both for now. I've got pads for it already. So.
You buy them online?
What, rotors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, okay.
just there, so I just give it a good soak, and I'm not going to go to the trouble of changing them.
So this is the passenger rear, and it's got a shoe for like an old shoe type brake that goes to the inside of the rotor for the emergency brake. Which side was it that you replaced that axle on?
That side.
Yeah, it looks really clean over that over here.
The reason that shoulder came right off the there.
Yeah. Can't mix those up. You took the cap off of your brake reservoir? Pushing that piston back in to make space for the new brake shoe, or the new brake discs. Those for anti-noise or rattle or something?
Shims for something.
Shims.
Probably. It is, yeah. Noise. Tight on there.
That was 10 millimeter, right?
Yeah. Click.
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 Oh, that's your built-in torque.
I'm borrowing from somebody else.
Oh.
Another guy that makes videos on YouTube. Jeff Bradshaw, I think is it Jeff Bradshaw? I'm sorry if I've got the name wrong.
Yeah, well, see, the older you get, like me, you actually hear a click when your bones start to pop, and that's enough.
Yeah, that's exactly where it comes from.
Is it?
That's where they got the idea, I think.
Little brake cleaner to get any oily residue off with a little scratch pad. Click.
Click. Wait for it. Click. Double check this one. Yeah, it's already clicked.
You make it look so easy.
Well, what's nice about this brakes, they kind of are. Drums are murder.
All right. Driver's side tire is on. Take a break, catch your breath, or are you gonna push through?
No, I gotta get this other tire. This other tire out of here.
Oh. All right, the back rotors have been changed and the pads have been changed. Just get it back on the ground, pumped up the brakes a little bit. Check for that rattle again and see how it goes.